My today's topic is biomolecules. Biochemistry first, BP 203, Unit 4th, Biomolecules, B Pharma, second SEM, first year. Biomolecules. Biomolecules are organic molecules, molecules containing carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. All are polymers, all are organic compounds. They make up living organism. Example, glucose, C6H12O6. Biological micromolecules. Life depends on 4 types of organic micromolecules. First one is carbohydrate, second lipids and proteins and nucleic acids. Function: carbohydrate, energy, support and recognition; proteins, enzymes, structure, recognition, transport, pigments, signals; lipids, cell membrane, structure, energy, store, signals, cellular metabolism; nucleic acids and proteins, information, energy, signals. Structure: carbohydrate, polysaccharide of simple sugar; protein, polypeptide of amino acids; lipid, insoluble in water, all through common polymers, glycerol and fatty acids; nucleic acids, polynucleotides of nucleotides. Molecules made up of the similar molecules that are the building blocks of micromolecules, and glucose, cellulose, amino acids are called proteins, and fatty acids are glycerol, lipids. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in a ratio of 1 to 1, account for less than 1% of body weight, used and as energy source, called saccharides. Carbohydrates are simple sugar, monosaccharide and disaccharide, and complex sugar and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are simple sugar, monosaccharides, one sugar, and glucose, galactose and fructose. Simple sugar, 2 sugar. Examples: table sugar is equal to glucose plus fructose, and maltose is equal to glucose plus glucose, and lactose is equal to glucose, galactose plus glucose. Polysaccharide, many sugar complex sugar polymers, any molecules made up of several repeating units. Starch is a polymer of glucose, and function: cell use them for energy and structure. They allow organism to greatly use energy since it is stored in a large structure. Polysaccharides. Glycogen, animal store carbohydrate glucose in the form of glycogen, similar in form to starch, and reserve energy, store in liver and muscles. Nucleic acids, molecules of heredity and micromolecules made up of nucleotides. Nucleotides are 2 types: DNA nucleus and RNA, 90% cytoplasm and 10% nucleus; mRNA, tRNA and rRNA. Nucleic acids, information storage, DNA deoxyribonucleic acids, and protein synthesis, RNA ribonucleic acids, and energy transfer, ATP, adenosine triphosphate and NAD. Nucleic containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphate, made up of nucleotides. Nucleotide consist of sugar, phosphate groups and nitrogenous bases. Nucleotides, each nucleotide consists of their components: a carbon to carbon ringed structure with nitrogen called a nitrogenous bases, and either a purine or a pyrimidine, 5 carbon sugar and a phosphate groups. Nitrogen bases found in two nucleic acid types are different. Two types, purine A and G, and pyrimidine are TCU. Adenine, cytosine, and guanine are found in both RNA and DNA, and thymine DNA and uracil RNA. Nucleic acid type different in the structure of the sugar. DNA contains 2-deoxyribose and RNA contains ribose. The only difference in their presence or absence of a OH hydroxyl group on the second carbon. All nucleotides have a phosphate groups. Phosphates as found in phospholipids and HPO4 and found between two adjustment nucleotides in a polypeptides. Sugar, phosphate backbone. Lipids, naturally occurring organic compounds and insoluble in water, soluble in ether, chloroform, acetone and benzene, and carbon contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The ratio of CH is 1:2, much less 0. Contain other element phosphorus, nitrogen and sulfur from essential structure in cell, are important energy store. Types of lipids. The types of lipids containing fatty acids are waxes, fat and oils, triglycerol and glycerol, phospholipids and prostaglandins. Lipids, triglycerides, fats and oils consist of 3 fatty acids and glycerol. Insulation, energy and protection. Proteins. Proteins structures most abundant and important organic molecules, basis elements, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Bases building blockers 20 amino acids. Proteins consist of chain of amino acids linkage together by peptide bonds, and enzymes are proteins. Each amino acid has an amino group, a carboxylic group, a hydrogen atoms and a specific side chains are group bonded to the alpha carbon atoms. Biological function of proteins. Catalytic functions. Nearly all chemical reaction in biological systems are catalyzed by specific enzymes. And second one is transport and storage. For example, hemoglobin and myoglobin, albumin and transferrin. Third one is coordinated motion action. Myosin are proteins is muscles. Biological function of proteins. Structure and mechanical support. For example, collagen, a fibrous protein in skin and bones. And defense function, for example, clothing factor, prevent loss of blood. Immunoglobulins protects against infection, and generation and transmission of nerve impulse. For example, is the photoreceptor proteins in for root cells. Control of growth with differentiation for growth factor proteins. Hormones such as insulin and thyroid stimulating hormones. Protein structure 4 level: primary amino acid sequence and secondary hydrogen bonds from spiral or plates, and tertiary secondary structure folds into a unique shapes, and quaternary several tertiary structure together. Shape and function. Protein function is based on shape. Shape is based on sequence of amino acid, and loss of shape and functions due to heat, pH change or other factors. Thank you.